Hey guys, I want to welcome you to Joseph Motors. We're going to add a new unit today we're really excited about. We got a 2012 extended cab 4x4 utility body. Shaitan and I are going to go over it together here and just kind of show it off a little bit. It's sitting on Transport's AT-2 tires, diesel, four-wheel drive, speaks for itself. This thing is in really great shape. Got 103,000 miles. Power windows, power locks, keyless entry, airbags, side impact, Knapheide bodies on the back. Got a slide top. If you want to keep anything dry, it can be removed too if you'd like to. It is diesel def. It's got the auto locking locks to it, tow package. It's just in really nice shape. If you got any questions about this Ford F350 6.7 liter 4x4 service utility body, please look us up at josephmotorsnc.com, or you can give us a call at 919-661-2886. We look forward to hearing from you. Again, my name is Nick Watson, and Shaitan. Have a great day.